Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding the crash course batch that you are going to start for the IBPS AFO mains examinations 2022-23. As you know that IBPS has already released their application forms. Yesterday was the last date to launch to fill the application form. In the end of December you have your prelims examinations, and in the end of January you have your mains examinations. This AFO course, well, let me tell you what are the content of this AFO crash course. There will be 35 AFO mains live classes that will cover your entire topics, okay, in a very fast manner, okay. Although the proper explanations were needed for the particular topics through which the IBPS are regularly asking questions will be discussed properly in the classrooms, okay. This classes will be in the English mediums, okay, also in the Hindi medium. You will also get the opportunity to download the last minute notes. You can take out the printout of the last minute notes as well as the current data, and also you'll be provided the complete guidance for the AFO mains as well as the interview. We have already prepared the schedule for the AFO crash course, keeping in mind the date of the prelims examinations also, and the last time pressure that you guys are getting due to the examinations, okay. This AFO course content is completely prepared according to the last 10 years 12 years IBPS pattern, and how they are asking the questions, to which topic they are giving more importance. So these things will be completed in this 35 AFO classes with along with the important data will provide you, in a very summarized manner. These things we are going to complete. This will start from the 2nd December, and on the very 2nd December and 3rd December we'll discuss the general agriculture section. Soil science will be completed in the 4 lectures. The topic wise it is already shared on your screen. 4th December there will be soil introductions as well as the chemical physical properties of the soil. On the 5th December we'll discuss the problematic soil conservation measures as well as the soil types. You know that they are asking regularly the questions from the problematic soil as well as the soil conservation measures. 6th December we'll discuss the manures, fertilizer, plant nutrient deficiency and symptoms as well as the biofertilizers. And the remaining miscellaneous portions will be discussed of soil science will be discussed on 7th December. On the 8th December there will be complete fisheries. 9th December complete set technology. 10th December complete forestry. 11th December complete sericulture. 12th December complete apiculture. 13th and 14th December we'll discuss the genetics and plant breeding, and 15th December there will be plant physiology, and 16th December we will have the revision of the above topics. Again we'll give you gap for the last minute preparation of the prelims examinations, okay. Along with this, again we'll resume on 2nd January and we'll start with the agronomy, that will be basic tillage agrometeorology. 3rd January agronomy 2, that is sowing irrigation agronomic measures. 4th January we'll discuss the agronomy 3rd part, that is weed science, okay. Again on the 5th and 6th we'll have the agriculture engineering. 7th January we'll have the horticulture basics. Again on the next 3 days we'll discuss the fruit crops, vegetable crops, floricultures, and the last day we'll discuss the remaining topics of the horticultures. 12th January we'll deal with the animal husbandry basics. 13th we'll discuss regarding the all the breeds of the animals. Again similarly, then we'll discuss animal disease, then animals husbandry, miscellaneous topics. From 16th to 18th we'll discuss the current affairs data, and again last 2 lectures will be of the agriculture schemes, and on the 21st January we'll discussing the miscellaneous plus exam discussions. The class will be of hardly 1.5 hour to 2 hours. 2 hours you can consider, okay. And we'll decide the time accordingly, which cannot hamper your prelims examination also. So guys, we'll update you from when the registration for the crash course is starting, everything on the Telegram channel. So be in touch, okay. Have a good day. Thank you.